everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a quick hack if you are as sad as I was that Happy Planner did not release sticky notes with the Glam Girl this year. So if you are new here, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any of the fun. And if you're returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you know, Glam is most definitely my jam, and I cannot wait to use her for 2020. And when I love a planner, I am obsessed with everything that planner has, especially like the Glam Girl, or the Girl lines specifically have been my favorite planners pretty much always. And so I am very excited to have this planner. However, I was very sad to know that there was no sticky notes. If anyone knows anything different or to the contrary of what I'm saying, please let me know. But I'm pretty sure there was no sticky notes released with the Glam Girl this year. Maybe sticky notes are not as popular as they once were. I don't know. But I am going to be using the accessory book and dashboards to manufacture a sticky note page for myself. So let's go ahead and open these up. These are the dashboards that are going with the Glam Girl this year. I still have all of the other ones from the previous Glam Girl, and I use them quite a bit still, actually. So I have not opened these yet, but I had some plans, intentions with them. Now, deciding which one to use is totally like whichever way you want to do it. I am going to use this one because I'm not a huge fan of cheetah, leopard, whatever animal this is, and print as much. And so I'm going to pull this one out. I might actually leave this on the back for a few more minutes, but I'm going to pull this one out and start with this one because it will still also not lose its integrity if I do that. But what I'm going to do is inside this accessory book, unless you carry this around with you, there are these great sticky notes, and you have nice little paper right here that unless you keep this book and carry it around with you at all times, you're really not going to use these as much as unless you have it in front of you or anything like that. But if you need them on the go and it's not with you, you're really not going to use them. So what I have found is that for me, and this may not be for everybody, but for me, they kind of go to waste in there. So I'm going to actually just transfer them all out of this sticker book into the planner itself, and they tear off really easily, so you really do not need a whole lot of effort to do it. You can leave the back page on. If you ever want to put them back, you know where they go. You can see the shapes of them, no big deal. And then close this up. Now, you could cut this off too, but that just, like, I wouldn't want to do that because I like the way that this closes and I like to keep the cover on. So I just pulled them out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to, if you pull the back part to the last sticky note is on there, they will just stick down. Although it's not like super sticky, it will lift right up because like they're not like the sticky notes, which is good because they're going on paper. So I actually am going to take some glue dots and glue dot down at the top especially. Ooh. 3 glue dots, and then I'm going to do a couple in the middle, and then a couple down below. So you will also need glue dots or other adhesive tape or, you know, whatever adhesive source you want to use. Glue dots to me are among the best, but flip it over. Find the placement that you want. I would stay further away from the disc part, just so as you're opening and closing it, you don't infringe upon, you know, that. And just stick it down really good. These are going to probably be the most difficult because of the weight and the fact that they are so loose and not stuck to each other. And then you're just going to kind of repeat the same thing with, I don't know what the difference is between these glue dots. I got 3 different colors on Amazon, and I don't know, like, what the difference is or if there's a difference, but I'm curious to see how these hold up because these are for like poster boards or something. Anyways, if you know the difference, please let me in the comments below. I'd love to know. But yeah, just stick that down and then again, just repeat as you go along. Just look how you can just repeat that same idea in each area. And then of course down below, if you want all of them, you could also put one up here, but I'm not going to do that because I want to mark it. And I never really used the little ones as much, but yeah, it'll be nice to have that in there instead. Ah. And then we're just going to flip this down here. And then put the lips right here. So as you can see, it is in size, these dashboards, the sticky note dashboards, this was from the original Glam Girl, by the way. So if you're like, hey, where'd you get that? I didn't make it up. This was from the first release, and I used a lot of them. I'm almost out of a lot of the ones that I used. So this is the same size dashboard though. So anytime you have a dashboard like that, you are good to go. And then I also picked up the, see if I can grab it real quick. The coordinated accessory pack. So you have the accessory books, which this was a re-release of the old Glam Girl line, and that's where I pulled those out of. And then this was, you know, I guess this is the sticky notes that they would have had released with the coordinated accessory book. But the same thing, you could do the same thing with these as well. If you don't carry this around with you, but you want this available for use, you could easily pull these off and stick them down to a dashboard so you don't have to actually manually transfer that over. And then just mark the top so you remember what you actually put there, and it will fit right into your planner. It sticks really well. You don't have to worry about them falling off, and it's available for you to do, and you can still see the great colors behind it. It doesn't ruin the quality of the dashboard, the color of the dashboard. And if you want to pull them off, you just pull them off. The glue dot will lift right up, and then if it still feels a little like tacky or sticky, just get like an alcohol pad and wipe it clean, and voila, it is it's back to new. Don't forget there's these on the back if you didn't know that. It took me a long time. There's still one that I swear doesn't have one. I've tried everything I can to try to get it off, and it will not come off, but they all have them. And then it will just go right into your planner and ready to go. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope that you will manufacture some Glam Girl sticky notes, because every planner needs sticky notes in them available for use at any time. Whether you use them a lot or not, you need them in there. It just makes it complete. It's like a belt or jewelry or makeup. It just makes it complete. So, and it's funny that I used accessories like that because it's a Glam Girl. Anyways, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Cannot wait to catch you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all soon.